So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in the figure we have three squares. One is this blue square, one is this red square and one is this outer black square. So we have to find the area of the blue to red square. So let's see how we can solve this. So blue square area is this and red square area is this. So we have to find the ratio of both of them. So you see this figure. Let's assume x be the side of the blue square, which is this. So this will be x, this will be x, this will be x, this will be x, because in the square all sides are equal. So now you see in the square this angle will be 90 degree. If this angle will be 90 degree, then you can see this figure is symmetric. So this angle and this angle will be exactly be the same because the figure is exactly symmetric about this uh, thing. So if this angle is 90 degree, so the remaining angle is 90 degree, which will be equally divided in two parts. So both angle will be 45. So this will be 45 and this will be 45. So if this will be 45, then if this is x, then this will also be x. You can apply like tan 45 is equal to this do divided by this on, and this value we know it is 1. So do is equal to the on. So this thing will be is equal to this thing. And similarly, if this angle is 45, this angle will be 45. So this thing will be is equal to this thing. So OD and ON both are equal to X, and MB and NM they are also equal to X. So this is the first thing you can see. The next thing you can do is you can calculate the diagonal of the square, which is this BD. This outer square diagonal is this BD. So you can calculate this after applying Pythagorean theorem in the triangle. This A, B, and D is BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square. We know this is x and this is also x. So this whole length will be 2x. This will be x and this will be x. This whole length will be also equal to 2x. So 2x whole square plus 2x whole square, it will become as 8x square. And after taking square root, it will become as 2 root 2 times x. So now we know the diagonal of the square also. Uh, which is BD, which is 2 root 2 times x. We just calculated. So we know the blue area is simply the x multiplied by x side square, which is x square. So let's assume y be the side of this square. So this will be y, this will be y, this will be y, and this will be y. So all four sides are equal to the y. So this is the side of the red square. So now what we can do, so we know like this angle is 45, this is 90 degrees, so this will be 45 and this will be 45 also, this will be 90 degree and this will be 45. So if this side is y, then this side will also be y, we can directly say that. And if this side is y, this is also y, because you see this angle is 90 degree and this is 45, this is 90, so this will be 45, this is 90, so this will be 45, this is 90, then this will be 45, if and this is 90, then this will be 45. So all angles are 45, so this will be y and this will be also be y. So all these things are here. So now what we can do, how we can find the relation between x and y? It is simple. We know this is y, this will be y, and this will be y, which is 3 times y, which is ds plus sp plus pb, which is 3 times y, which is the diagonal of the square bd. Length which we just previously calculated in terms of x. Here it is bd is 2 root 2 times x. So we can equate 3y is equal to 2 root 2 times x. So now we got the one relation between x and y, and we know the red area is y square, and we have to find the blue area to the red area ratio, which is x square divided by y square. So x square we remain as it is, and y square we can calculate in terms of x square is simply by this way. 9 times y square is simply 8x square. So instead of y square you can put like 8x square by 9. So the ratio will become 9 by 8. You just simplify here and it will become 9 by 8 by using this relation. So in this way we can solve this problem.